Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL 17.5 on AlmaLinux 9.6. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to PostgreSQL official website, that is PostgreSQL.org. See here, at the time of installation the latest release is PostgreSQL 17.5. So click on download, then select Linux, then scroll down. See here we have the Red Hat, Rocky and AlmaLinux. Click on it. See here the PostgreSQL M repository currently supports on RHL, Rocky Linux, AlmaLinux, CentOS, Oracle Linux and Fedora. Okay, so select the version. See here we have the PostgreSQL versions from 17 to 13. Okay, so the latest is 17. Select 17, then select RHL or AlmaLinux or Oracle Linux 9. See, once we selected, it populated the list of the commands that needs to be executed. So copy the first one. It is going to install the repository, RPM repository. So open terminal, paste it, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. It is done. Control A. Now disable if there are any inbuilt modules. Paste it, hit enter. It's done. Control A. Now install the PostgreSQL server. Sudo dnf install PostgreSQL, then version number -server. Hit enter. See, it is going to install PostgreSQL server and these dependencies. Okay, so and version is 17.5. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. Again type A and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed PostgreSQL server. Now we have to initialize the database. So copy this command, paste it, hit enter. Now verify the status of the PostgreSQL server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. We have to give -17. If you don't give, it will throw error. See, okay, so we have to give -17. See, PostgreSQL server is installed, but it is not started and it is disabled. So you took it. So start it. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL -17. Also enable it. Now verify the status of the PostgreSQL server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL -17. See, PostgreSQL server is started 15 seconds ago and it is enabled. See here the status is active and running. Okay, you took it. And also see here the processes. See, this is a data directory. Okay, and logger process, checkpointer process, background writer process, wall writer, auto vacuum launcher and logical replication launcher, and these are the PIDs for these processes. Okay, Control A. Now connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, this is the PSQL client version, not the PostgreSQL server version. Okay, so to find the PostgreSQL server version, we have to run the command select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL server 17.5. Okay, Control A. Now the first step after connecting to PostgreSQL server is we have to set the password for super user, that is Postgres. So verify list of the users that comes with PostgreSQL server. \du. See here we have only one user, that is Postgres. See, these are the permissions granted for this user. So we have to set the password for this user. You can also get the list of the users by running the command select username from pg_date user. See, we got the user. So set the password, alter user Postgres with password, then provide password in singular double quotes. Okay, alter role means we have successfully set the password. Control A. Now verify list of databases \l. See, these are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL installation. can also get the list of the databases by running the command select dat name from pg underscore database. See, these are the databases. Now create a database. Control L to clear screen. Create database. We have successfully created. Verify. See, new database is created. Now connect to this database and create a table. To connect to database, we have to use the \c or connect, then provide the name of the database. See, you are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. Now verify list of tables in this database. We don't have any tables. Okay, so create table. Let us insert some data into this table. Now verify the data. See, we have inserted these rows. Control A. Now we will see how to create a user. Create we have successfully created. Verify again. See, new user David is created. Now we will connect to PostgreSQL server with this new user. So exit from the current session by using \q. Now run the command psql-h means host name, then localhost, because PostgreSQL server is installed on this PC. That's why I have given localhost. If it is remote PC, then you have to give the remote PC or host address. Then -d, d means database Postgres, -u means you must be caps, means username. User is David. Hit enter. Here we have to provide the password of this David user. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, that is the password. Okay, provide the password. It is typo. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current underscore user. See, we have successfully connected to PostgreSQL server with the user David. Okay, now exit. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart PostgreSQL server on AlmaLinux OS 9.6. Okay, Control A. Can't stop, start or restart with Postgres user. See here, I'm connected with Postgres user. So exit. Now sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. We have to give -17. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is inactive or dead. Okay, it is stopped 8 seconds ago. Qt also verified right by trying to connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres. Hit enter. PSQL. See, we are unable to connect. Okay, so start it again. Let us start with Postgres user. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL -17. It will throw error. See, it is asking password. That's why we can't start or stop with Postgres user. So exit from this Postgres user. Now start it. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL -17. Control L. Verify the status again. See, PostgreSQL server is started 3 seconds ago. Qt. If you want to restart, just give sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL -17. Now verify. See, we have restarted 2 seconds ago. Control L. Okay, until now we have connected PostgreSQL server by using PSQL client. We can also connect PostgreSQL server by using the most popular tools pgadmin and dbvar. Okay, you can search for my YouTube channel how to install pgadmin or dbvar on Linux operating systems. So in this video we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL server 17.5 on AlmaLinux OS 9.6. Okay, For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.